Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens this week. If you are new here, welcome. I try to do my best to show you all the best deals going on at Walgreens for the week. I show you the deals that I do, as well as how I put it together with the different digital boosters that I get. And then I share grocery deals, other deals that I didn't do, and clearance finds. So speaking of clearance, summer went 90% off this past week, and I did post that to the community tab, so I wanted to let y'all know as soon as possible. There wasn't really much I wanted this year. I know people were getting like carts full of items because they just want those items or donate the items or use them for gifts throughout the year. This is legitimately all I bought. A pack of the bunch of balloons. I always pick these up when I find them at 90% off. So if you're still looking for school supplies or summer stuff, definitely check your store for those items. Now, bear with me for just a minute because I want to tell you about something that I think you might want to know about. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to try out things, test out things before I just learn about something new and immediately share it, because I want to be able to give you guys an honest review of what I think and weed out any of the weird, not so great offers. So about a month and a half ago, I signed up for something called Freebie Flow, and I've been using it, like I said, for about a month and a half, and I want to tell you about it. So it is this platform that you sign up for, and it connects with your Amazon, and it automatically sends you Amazon freebies. Pretty cool. Like, I was really interested, but again, I was skeptical. Y'all know me, I'm a skeptical person. I like to test things out. So I signed up for it. And they say you get like 8 to 10 freebies a month, which was valid. I did get 8 to 10 freebies a month. And once you sign up and you pay for it, and of course I have a discount code and I'll share it with you in a second, you connect your Amazon account. Again, I was a little worried about that, but I've had zero issues with it. I did go ahead and do it, and I've tried it out, and it's still connected and it's going fine, no issues. And then you set your parameters. So you can have it just send you freebies, or you can have it send you things that are, under $3 and at least 80% off, or however you want to do it. I have mine set up just for freebies, and I want to share a few of the things. Literally, these are just a few of the things I've gotten. So this big old bag of protein mix, I got this. I got something for my Halloween costume, so I can't share it with you yet because y'all know I keep my Halloween costume a secret, but I'm excited for that one. A pack of makeup brushes. I got gel nail polish. I got another makeup item. Hang on. And literally this isn't like even scratching the surface of what I got. A cell phone mount holder. I also got some like magnetic tiles. I ended up selling those. So I think this program is great for people who like to resell items, who do a lot of gift giving, or who, like me, just like getting little surprises in the mail. That's primarily why I did it. I love getting little goodies in the mail, but I've also been able to sell some of the items. I do plan to use a couple of the items to like add into gifts or gift baskets around the holidays. And then, like I said, I'm keeping some of the items because one is perfect for my Halloween costume. This is another keeper for me, an electric toothbrush. And like I said, all of these items ship to me for free, included in my Freebie Flow membership. So there are different levels of membership. If you use my link down below, use the code Christina, you'll pay $39 for your first month. After that, it would be $49 per month. But for $39, checking it out for a month, I think totally worth it. And then if y'all do it, if y'all sign up, tell me what you think, because I'm curious, is this just a me thing? Do I just love this concept, or does it work for y'all as well? So again, link down below, use the code Christina. It's gonna take $10 off, so you'll pay $39 for that first month. All right, wanted to share that with y'all. Okay, so the deals this week, I had a spend 60, get 12. That was my digital booster. I had a paper booster for spend 40, get 9. So of course I combined those. I did every single deal you see here in store, which isn't typical for me. Normally I do curbside pickup, but I did all of these deals in store this week. Super simple deal right here on the Cheerios. They're 2 for $5 on sale. There is a $1 digital coupon that makes them 2 for $4. Or there is a $1 rebate back on Ibotta. You can't combine that with coupons. So if you didn't have the digital coupon or you had already used it, you could use that Ibotta rebate, still getting them 2 for $4. The Scott toilet paper and paper towels, great deal this week. They're $5 regular price, but they're buy one, get one half off. So one will be $5, one will be $2.50, but there is a $1 digital for each of them. So if you get one of each, use both of the digitals, $2 will come off, leaving you to pay $5.50 for both of them, or just $2.75 each. Great price to pick up Scott toilet paper and paper towels. Now, the L'Oreal Elvive, these are 2 for $9. There was an only for you $4 digital coupon. So look in your coupon, see if you have that one. There's also a $2 store digital. So it'll take off $2 on 2, leaving you to pay $3 or just $1.50 each. Now, again, if you like to resell items, I found that it's really easy to sell shampoo and conditioner for $2 a piece. So anything less than $2 a piece, I think, is a decent deal for the shampoo and conditioner. Speaking of, Garnier this week is spend 10, get a $3 register reward. So you'd want to do that in store because it's a register reward. I picked up 2 of the Garnier Fructis at 2 for $8. And then I picked up 2 of the whole blends at 2 for $8. I did both because I wanted to get to at least $10. Now, there is a $3 digital for these. There is a $3 digital for these. So you'll pay $10 after those coupons. You'll get back a $3 register reward, leaving your final cost to be $7 for all 4 of them, or $1.75 each. Less than $2. Good price. Now, the Persil. This one's super easy. $5.99 on sale this week. When you purchase one, you will get a $2 register reward. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get $1 back. That one says you can't combine it with coupons, but we didn't use any coupons. We got a $2 register reward and $1 back on Ibotta, so that's $3 back, making the final cost just $2.99. And I know a lot of you like the Persil. I love the Persil detergent as well. Now, the Tide and Gain products are $5.49 each. They are buy 4, get a $5 register reward. Now, the products you purchase, one, obviously the products that you use, but also look in your digital coupons to see which coupons you have that make the most sense. So like I picked the Downy Calm because I had a $2 coupon for this. The other items I had a $1 digital for. So I had a $1 digital for the Gain and the Tide Pods. You may have something better, so look in your coupons. I had already used the one for the liquid. So how this worked out for me, I bought 4 of these products at $5.49. I had the $2 digital for the Downy. I had the $1 for the Tide, the $1 for the Gain. So I paid $17.96. If you have more coupons, your total might be lower. I got back the $5 register reward, leaving my final cost $12.96 for all 4 of those items, or $3.24 each. But of course, I put all of this together to get the points back from my booster. So everything you see here, I bought together. And that cost, before any coupons came off, was $65.45. Now remember, this had a store coupon. I have to be at least $60 after that store coupon comes off. So that was $2. I was at $63.45 before manufacturer coupons came off. After the manufacturer coupons came off that I've already told you about, I was at $48.45. Now, you can pay that balance down with manufacturer register rewards, or you can pay out of pocket, whichever you prefer. I had manufacturer register rewards from last week, so I was using those. I got back the $12 for spending $60 on my digital booster, the $9 for spending $40 on my paper booster, the $5 register reward for the Tide, the $2 register reward for the Persil, the $1 on Ibotta for Persil, the $3 register reward for the Garnier, leaving my final cost to be $16.45 for everything. Or if you like the per item cost, it's $1.09 per item. So great deal when you stack those boosters, especially if you have those register rewards to pay down your balance. Now, other deals. The Reese's and the Snickers are $1.99 this week, so that might be a good stock up price for Halloween. The Kinder Halloween eggs specifically, they're $2.49 each. There's an offer on Swag Bucks for $4 back when you buy 2 of them, leaving your final cost to be 49 cents each for those Kinder eggs. The Planters mixed nuts or cashews are $4.99. There's a $2 digital, making your cost $2.99. The Planters peanuts are 2 for $5. There's a $1.50 digital if you haven't used it yet, leaving your final cost to be $3.50 or $1.75 each. The Truvia is on sale for $2.99. There's also a $1 rebate on Ibotta, dropping that cost down to $1.99. So if you use that product, that's a really good price. And then the olives are 2 for $3 with 50 cents each back on Ibotta, making it 2 for $2 or $1 per can of olives. Now, I think that was everything. If you have questions on anything that I've talked about, drop them down in the comments. If you have other deals that you're finding, please share with us. Let us know down in the comments as well. And that freebie flow. So again, if you want to check it out, I'll drop the link down in the comments section. But you sign up, you pay that $39, you link your Amazon account, set your parameters, mine was just for free, and then it automatically starts sending freebies to your house when they find them on Amazon. And like I said, I have loved it. I think it's really fun. I think if you are a big gift giver or a reseller, that could really benefit you more than get your $39 back for the month. So again, if you try it, let me know down in the comments what you think of that program. Have a great week.